Hi, meet John. He's a SOLIDWORKS designer. He may be a freelancer or maybe part of a design team. He produces hundreds, even thousands of SOLIDWORKS files, but he's not making them for himself. He's making them to be manufactured, purchased and assembled, or in his mind, simply for the employer. But the common thing for them all is that his design data needs to follow a very specific set of rules to be accepted by all these parties. Whether the requirement is to create a simple bill of materials to purchase or to set very specific ERP-related property values, all this is tedious, time-consuming and error-prone, but necessary additional work for the designer. Unless, of course, all of it can be an integral part of the design process itself. By using custom tools, you can easily cut significant amount of unnecessary manual work and bring consistency of your design data on a whole nother level. It is a well-known, globally used product with an extensive reseller network. Let's see how it looks. CustomTools is a SOLIDWORKS Partner Gold add-in. The most notable thing is probably the Command Manager tab. But we also provide a fully configurable search pane, which means we index the location, properties and references of SOLIDWORKS documents when designers save them. This functionality is of course redundant if you have, for instance, PDM Professional, but other CustomTools features integrate seamlessly with it. Since we have this indexing feature, also CustomTools alone can provide simplified PDM-like experience for design teams, but it's recommended to use it with PDM if you need file versioning, access control or workflows. If not, you just use it with a shared network folder and scheduled backups. Having a database, CustomTools settings are of course also centralized, so the admins or lead designers can easily control the environment of the whole design team. Searching and enabling team collaboration is just few of many powerful capabilities. Let's take a look at few of these separately. CustomTools combines file management with fully configurable property management, including project management. Project selection can control subset of properties and file management settings, such as target folder. The properties has tons of features, for instance these freely configurable combinations, team set serials, including PDM and ERP serials, and visibility control, which makes property filling intuitive and easy, regardless of having different projects and component types. Integratability of properties bring third-party requirements like ERP units to designer's domain. And it's also possible to use intuitive search to link entire property value sets, such as stock material or ERP item selections. When done, designers cannot apply properties unless they pass validation as configured, ensuring consistent and well-defined properties, file names and paths. Whether you are working with PDM or with a shared network folder, your design data is well managed with CustomTools properties. CustomTools Print and Convert provides extremely advanced batch operations. It reads the whole given design structure, including all drawings and sheets and properties, and allows defining target selection filters for different operations, such as print drawing sheets with correct printer, size and orientation, convert selected designs and drawings to various other formats, or even create completely new drawings or modify existing ones based on various rules. All these well-defined batch operations are also available as PDM Professional tasks that can also be executed automatically during workflow state transitions. Once properly configured, CustomTools Print and Convert is the one tool that generates all your required design documentation, fully automated, saving tons of designers' time. CustomTools Export is a tool to transform the design structure or the engineering BOM into other bill of material types, such as Excel reports for purchasing, manufacturing, or design review. It is also heavily utilized for ERP integrations that can either be tied and bidirectional, where CustomTools communicates directly with the ERP, or specifically formatted transfer files that can be imported to the ERP. Similar to batch operations, CustomTools Export is also available for PDM Professional. CustomTools Export is the tool for you when you need to connect your design work with other systems and people. The team behind CustomTools has about 25 years of development experience around SOLIDWORKS and SOLIDWORKS PDM, including various semi-standardized and custom ERP integrations, migration projects, custom add-in development, and services. Having such exceptional expertise at our hands, customer testimonials such as these should not come as a surprise. Thank you for joining me for this short presentation. Focus on design and automate the rest.